What is small, ugly, and somehow makes adults act like children?
I swear to gosh, if I don't get a pink Labubu this time, I'm cracking out.
Okay.
Labubus.
Labubus.
Well, chances are by now you've heard of Labubus. Labubu.
Yes, Labubus. Tiny, grotesque plush creatures dangling from backpacks shoved into cameras, displayed like trophies. Afterwards spends hundreds of dollars on them. Like after fidget spinners, Funko Pops, Dubai chocolate for God's sake, and literally every other bizarre collectible quote-unquote, people still fall for this. Adults paying 40, 80, or even hundreds of dollars for something that looks like a demon from a failed childhood nightmare.
Labubu, 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 Labubu.
Welcome to Gen Z consumer culture. Now let me emphasize, this isn't just a silly little toy. It kind of feels like a social experiment. It's a casino disguised as a plushie, preying on our FOMO, our collector instincts, and our absolute inability to resist a rare item. Like, watch this clip of a woman literally decapitating a Labubu because it wasn't the one she wanted.
What is this? Ray Labubu? No! And what is this ugly outfit?
Now you might be asking, like, haven't humans fallen for ridiculous collectible items before? Oh yeah, absolutely. The history of modern consumer culture is basically a parade of adults spending insane amounts of money on, well, meaningless objects. Take fidget spinners in 2017, for example. Millions of people, including grown adults, were spinning tiny plastic discs like their lives depended on it. People filmed themselves, posted it online. Then more recently, there's Dubai chocolate. Because apparently, some people look at a slab of cocoa wrapped in gold foil and think, I will pay $100 for this. The world is full with absurd trends. Overpriced sneakers, miniature designer handbags, all of these follow the same pattern. Scarcity plus hype and a manufactured sense of urgency. The point is simple. Humans are ridiculously easy to trick with hype and scarcity. Fidget spinners, Dubai chocolate, tiny luxury handbags, different items, same brain. And now we have Labubus. Vaguely cute, vaguely grotesque, and capable of making fully grown adults spend hundreds of dollars on so-called blind boxes. So how did these tiny, terrifying plush demons become a global phenomenon? The answer is marketing genius. PopMart, the company behind Labubus, knows exactly what it's doing. They sell them in so-called, as I said, blind boxes. You don't know what you're going to get. It could be a common boring one or the special edition. Like this woman finding out you get one of the only 3 golden Labubus in the world. It's scarcity, social proof, and influencer hype wrapped in one neatly packaged overpriced fabric nightmare. Take Lisa from Blackpink, for example, who casually posted a picture of herself with a Labubu dangling from her bag. With millions of followers, that single post went viral. Suddenly everyone wanted one. Or 2. Or 10. And then of course social media amplified it. TikTokers, Instagrammers holding their Labubus like trophies, standing in line at 7 AM to grab the news release, filming the unboxing with dramatic flair. The toy isn't just a toy, it's a statement. It's a social badge of honor. It's the modern equivalent of owning a rare piece of art. Except this art looks like what happened after the Teletubbies had a nervous breakdown, sold their souls to Satan and went 3 days without sleep. The real magic, the dopamine that comes from it, comes entirely from being seen owning it. The unboxing videos, the rare color flags, the carefully timed social media posts. Labubus might be tiny, but they reflect the enormous absurdity of modern consumerism. We live for trends, validation, and the sweet sting of FOMO. Owning it is completely meaningless, but posting it online is everything. The unboxing, rare color flags, all dopamine, and not a single fiber of it comes from the toy itself. If TikTok erupts with Labubus, someone, somewhere, is going to be outside a store at 7 AM, $80 burning a hole in their pocket, ready to rescue a tiny plush demon that objectively serves no purpose other than existing. In addition, the psychology here is straight from a textbook. It's called variable reward, or in layman's terms, gambling. You don't know what you're going to get, so you keep buying. You open the box, if it's rare, jackpot. If it's common, well, better luck next time. Humans are literally hardwired to respond to unpredictable rewards. Casinos exploit it, sports betting exploits it, and it's not just about the toy. There is an emotional satisfaction here as well. the thrill of unboxing, the hope of something rare, the social prestige. That's why people will literally spend hundreds of dollars, and even if they don't get the rare one, the act of participating, sharing, and being seen is enough to keep them coming back. What I don't like about blind boxes and similar things is that I feel like the companies are generating their profits from individuals with spending and addiction issues. Studies show that many such companies make the most profit of people who can't resist these addictive mechanisms. Traditionally, this was the realm of casinos and sports betting, places designed to make you chase hope, risk after risk. Now it's in your pocket. Like we have like FIFA Ultimate Team Packs, randomized player cards that mimic gambling, which are under critique constantly, or in-game purchases, loot boxes in Counter-Strike, mobile games, same formula, sell hope, deliver chance, rinse, repeat. Vulnerable people spend fortunes chasing pixels, and the companies laugh all the way to the bank. It's modern day casino capitalism disguised as fun, and somehow society keeps applauding it. And I mean, we've seen similar trends before. As I said, Pokemon cards, fidget spinners, Dubai chocolate, Air Jordans, Funko Pops, the formula never changes. Scarcity, hype, a dash of social pressure, and suddenly, otherwise rational human beings are compulsively buying things that literally serve no purpose. The truth is, the rise of Labubus is not even shocking or surprising. The question is not why this is happening, the question is why this hasn't happened before. It's that the system now amplifies it tenfold. Social media, influencers, algorithms, and dopamine loops have taken something already absurd as Labubus and turned it into a global spectacle. I thought humanity had moved past Pokemon cards, fidget spinners, Dubai chocolate, but no. The treadmill just got faster, the stakes just got higher, and the plush just got uglier. And somehow we cheer it on. While somewhere, a fully grown adult, furious that their Labubu wasn't the rare one, is committing what can only be described as first-degree toy homicide.
What is